Look at all of the parts of this car. Why does a car have many different parts? Each part has an important function or job. The engine produces energy to move the car. The battery provides electricity to start the engine and power the car. The fuel tank stores gasoline until it is needed by the engine. And the exhaust system removes waste gases made by the engine. Like cars, cells have many parts that work together. What do you think would happen if one part of the cell stopped working properly? Just like a car, eukaryotic cells need all their parts to function. These cell parts are called organelles. An organelle is any part inside the cell that has a certain function. For example, some organelles are used for protection. Some organelles are used for transporting materials. Some organelles are used for energy production. Some organelles are used for information storage and control. Different cells have different functions. The type of cell depends on the type of organelles it has.
The cell membrane surrounds the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a liquid inside the cell. The cell membrane is semi-permeable. It only allows certain materials into and out of the cell. The cell wall is the rigid outer layer of a plant cell. It provides protection and support.
Ribosomes are found free in the cytoplasm and on the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes make proteins. The Golgi apparatus prepares proteins in vesicles for transport to other parts of the cell. Plant cells have one large vacuole to store materials. Some animal cells also have vacuoles.
Mitochondria produce energy for cells using chemical reactions like cellular respiration. During cellular respiration, food molecules are changed into a usable form of energy called ATP. In plants, chloroplasts use energy from the sun to make glucose for the plant. The largest organelle in most eukaryotic cells is the nucleus. The nucleus controls all the functions of the cell. In the nucleus, DNA is organized into chromosomes. DNA has all the instructions for making the proteins needed for the cell to function.
What do cells need to survive? Cells use different materials to make energy. Waste is made when energy is made. These materials move into and out of the cell. What affects the movement of materials? When a cell grows, its surface area and volume increase. However, the volume of the cell increases faster than its surface area. Large cells. Large cells need a large amount of materials to make energy. Large cells also make a large amount of waste. What happens when a cell gets too large? For a large cell, its surface area would be too small to move enough materials into the cell and move waste materials out. This is an image of a type of cell called a nerve cell. Which option best describes the movement of materials in and out of this nerve cell?